Hello, Internet. My name is Simang. I want to ask you to do an assignment one of Python. Just want to show you ways to approach how to do it. So let's go to it. So I'm going to save. Let's say Faramina name. Faramina. That's the name. Name of your project that you want to do. You say PPY is a format of Python. And then once you finish, let me take this one down. We should take this one down to minimize. Okay. Okay, let's go. Remember the question was create a new Python file and name I'm not gonna name that one. So use the input function. This is the built-in function that you will have to input that you will put. And then also use function to use for the store it on the use function that's called to use location, in the location. The personalized message in location. For example, hello, name, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's go. Create a variable name, assign. This is an assign operator in Python. And then the input, remember the function that the tail must put. It's just so that you can remember, you remind yourself when you're running this program. It's the same name with this so that you can see, and then the age. Remember, age is a integer, it's a number. So you put int for integer, open bracket, then you call that built-in function, let's say input, and then your age, give it space, just for readability. And then the same must use location, you create again the variable location to assign to input, the input, the enter is a so like she anything that is inside your inverted comma, it's a strings. So it's a prompt that tells you what to do. And then we are done. Okay, let's say use the format. So this one is for comment. The computer does not print, just read it on the first approach. Let's say print. This time it just print a normal way is hello, 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 and then this after you create the space, then a comma. In Python, comma are concatenation, or where you can make it within one one wait, a name, another comma, you concatenate. What they say, name, hello, Smanga, you are space, that's what it repeats, and then comma, age is gonna print the print, you can repeat age, yes, old, and deep, in, empty space, comma, location, you call that variable location. Voila, you are done. A second approach. I think the first one is the one that they need from our assignment, but you can do a second approach. For the second in advance, is a just to separate so that you can see second approach. This one so that you can see it different and then open bracket, hello, say hello. Here we're gonna use, the second approach, we use the percentage approach. You see, on percentage approach, we use, say, percentage and then S. Remember, this one is for utility to format that you just gonna put the variable that you need to. And S is still okay. This is a string. The name that you need to put a string. And then say you are what you say you are percentage, because the 8 it's you put T. Yes. Please. Percentage location, say put S because it's string. Say yes old and you leave in, and this one you need. Then when you turn after the inverted comma, you put percentage, and then the name that you need to print from it. Remember, you must make sure that I put respectively. If it's your first name, you put name, comma, age, comma, location. Done. And it approach comments of approach. We're using formats. Is the print, the approach, the print, hello, say hello. Here they don't need to tell the machine that okay, it's a string. Just put an open. Just put an open. One, but I think even one code can work, but allow the consistency. I put double quote. And then let's see. Okay, hello. Hello is gonna put that you need to put here. Hello, and then open. Okay. Yeah. And if in, then you get the bracket, then from there say font format, and the machine that you're gonna use this format. Then you say name. Remember again, important to name the way you want it to be printed out. Location. I think we're done. It's gonna print without any changes. But if there is, then it will help us to fix our problem. So here I'm running a Python with the name of Famina. And in the prompt, it's in the prompt console, see, enter your name, see, Senzo, age, 24, location, Soweto. Voila, it printed it. Hello, Senzo, you at 24 years, live in Soweto. Second approach, you remember the one that says, hello, Senzo, you at 24 years, live in the approach. Hello, Senzo, you live in Soweto, blah, blah, blah. Okay, thank you very much, guys.